The new EBSCOhost user interface features many improvements, including personalized dashboards, modern result lists, enhanced displays, greater citing and sharing options, and enhanced detailed record and viewer experiences. Begin by entering your search terms in the search box. As you type, the autocomplete feature appears with popular search terms that you can click to execute a search in EBSCOhost. Or you can apply any of the limiters below the search box. If enabled by your administrator, the natural language toggle can be selected to run your query using everyday language instead of relying on complex keywords or Boolean operators. Click the magnifying glass to run your search. If you would prefer to use the advanced search with guided style search boxes, click the Advanced Search link. The guided style search boxes allow you to guide your search using different terms in varying article citation fields, such as subject terms, author, and title. If you need more than 3 search boxes for your terms, you can click the Add Row link to add more. Apply limiters from the Filters area and click Search. If your profile is configured to use the Advanced Results page, the guided style search boxes are available. You can click the Search History link to view your searches from the current session. From the search history, you can combine multiple searches run during your session using the Combine with and or Combine with or buttons. If your profile is configured to use the standard result list, you see your advanced search displayed in the single search box. You can refine your search results by applying filters. Click the All Filters button below the search box to display them. Click the arrows to open facets and display the available filters. When you're finished making selections, click the Apply button to update your results. The number of applied filters is updated on the All Filters button. To manage multiple results, use the checkboxes to select individual articles in the result list, or mark the checkbox at the top of the result list and click the arrow to select multiple records at once. Then use the tools above to download the article metadata, save the articles to the dashboard, add them to a project, share them via email or Google, or copy or export citations for the articles. Use the drop-down menus at the top of your results to adjust the number of articles per page or sort your results by relevance or date. On your result list, select an article to read by clicking the Access Options button and selecting a full text option from the menu. If only one full text option is available, the Access Now button will display that. To view more information about an article, click the title. The detailed record includes an article's citation information and links to full text when available. Use the tools at the top of the record to add the article to your saved items. Copy a citation of the article in one of several formats. Add the article to a project in your dashboard. Share a link to the article via email, or download the full text or a file containing the article's citation information in one of several formats. If online full text is available for an article, it can be read on the detailed record screen by scrolling down below the citation information. Click the link above the full text to open it in the full text viewer. From the online full text viewer, you can save or cite the article, add it to a project in the dashboard, share, download, or print it. You can also translate the full text, open or close the table of contents, listen to the article via text-to-speech, or open the Accessibility Remediation Request form to request a remediated version of the article. The dashboard in EBSCOhost is where you will find your saved items and projects you have created. When signed into EBSCOhost with your personal My EBSCO account, items in your dashboard are saved and can be accessed whenever you are signed in. If you're signed in through your institution and not with a personal account, items in your dashboard are not saved beyond your current session. You can create your own account by clicking My EBSCO and then clicking the Create an Account link. At any time, click on the Help link to view the EBSCOhost Quick Start Guide on EBSCO Connect.